Hey, it's Blake here, Mo Muscle Cars, and in front of you we have got a 1930 Ford custom dash that we built here in-house. Pretty special about this thing. I want to go through it real quick, but all of this we just built from materials. We've got a CNC router here that we use for a lot of this, and we were able to design everything, but not only do we have the wood, we've also got the structure in the back and everything. So I kind of want to go through it, the way we've got this thing formed. So the way it bolts to the car, we've got an aluminum piece that is behind all this, and it covers the dash and it covers this lower area as well. And that's going to bolt into the car. And then here we have got the top of the dash. So it actually is backwards. This is the front, and this is what will be facing the driver. And so it's pretty smooth. This will bolt up, let's see, just like this onto the car. So a lot of time goes into stuff like this because we had to fit everything as well. But it gets even better. We had to worry about the lighting on this, and so we'll get to that in a minute. But materials we use, so we've got a high density foam here. This stuff is strong. It is stronger than anything you'll find in a modern vehicle. That's what we use as the base structure. I did go to the mill in Houston, and I was able to get raw walnut, and so that is what we have here, is walnut that we sourced here in Houston. Of course, we've got this other material here. Now, the way this is going to work is we've got an aluminum backing behind the main dash piece and this lower valence area. And the steering column is going to go right here. But basically, one thing that is really cool about this is the lighting. And I mentioned that before. I like to flint knap. Some of you that don't know, I can take stone and work it into like a knife blade or whatever. So that flaking scarring is what I'm going for. It's actually, this is not obsidian, this is not translucent. This is just a little small piece, but you see these flake scars right here. That's gonna flake across, and we're gonna have obsidian that is gonna slab here with the lighting behind it. It's gonna be on a dimmer. So our lighting in this vehicle will come from other sources as well, but the dash lighting will be in these spots behind slabs of obsidian and then decked with a trim piece of walnut. So we've got the stereo. It's going to go right here. That's all been fit as well. So it's an exciting project here at Mo Muscle Cars. Something been in the works for a while. I can't wait to stain this and get some clear coat on it, because I tell you what, it's going to look so good. And we really like doing projects like these. The wood really pops on the inside. It's something that I like. I'm an outdoorsy type as well, and the customer, of course, is very excited about it also. So rock on, y'all.